When it comes to taking on a major DIY project, I've had to get realistic about the time that I can spend on these types of projects. I'm a busy mom of 3 and I'm running our household and also creating content. So I've had to get okay with the idea that I can't do it all. And occasionally it's okay to hire people out or to find ways to save me time and money. And that's exactly what I did by reaching out to Archways and Ceilings. Not only are they saving me thousands of dollars by building this frame for me instead of me hiring someone else to do it, but they are saving me hours and hours of work when it comes to cutting pieces of wood, measuring it out. And I know that I'm getting a very sturdy frame that is going to be structurally sound. It was actually so easy. All I did is I went to this wall that we are going to build the fireplace on. And before I sent them the measurements, I wanted to tape it all out so I could get a good feel of the actual scale. I also ordered a fireplace insert, so I need to make sure that everything was built around this insert. So after taping everything off and getting my exact measurements, I sent it to Archway and Ceilings. They sent me back 3D renderings, and then they mailed me the frame like a puzzle piece that I just put together. Today we are going to make a fireplace. Isn't it strange that this house didn't have a fireplace? Like, I remember when we toured it thinking, where's the fireplace? And because they had changed the whole floor plan to do a basement instead of an upstairs, which now you can see we opened the wall to upstairs. That's where the fireplace in the original floor plan was supposed to be. But obviously we can't put a faux fireplace there. So we're going to do it on this wall. You can see I've kind of got it taped out. My friends at Archways and Ceilings have once again made my vision come to life. And they have sent me basically a puzzle that I put together. I designed it, the type of fireplace I wanted. They make it like a puzzle and they shipped it to me. And here are all the boxes. As you can see, my whole dining room is filled with the boxes, but literally in here is the frame for the fireplace that I just will pop together. And I think it's gonna, gosh, just complete this space so much. We're still recovering from the upstairs renovation, so this is a great time to do it. That way I can have everything done at once, finally get my house put back together and organized. Guest helper here today. Say hi to YouTube.
Where's the little one?
The first thing we're having to do is take off all of this existing trim board so that the frame can fit flush.
Yeah,
like
that one. Yeah. All right, hang on. We should be able to wiggle it now, Lena.
Okay. There's a couple nails that are still pretty deep in there.
Yeah, that's all right.
Oh, nice, Dad. Okay, while Dad is working on getting the trim off for me, I'm gonna start opening our boxes so I can laying out all the pieces together. Oh, these are heavy. Like upside down. The FedEx man was not real happy with me. Again, it's like a puzzle. It's so cool. Okay, let's see. Join 2. Okay, so they've got them all labeled. Okay, I've got it all unpacked. This is all the pieces that it came in. It's pretty cool because each of them are labeled and they really make it kind of foolproof. All right, let me go ahead and show y'all how easy Archways and Ceilings has made this for me. It's a puzzle that I'm about to put together. We're starting with the fireplace legs and I've got all the pieces laid out and I'm just simply following their instructions and putting it together. Let's see how this goes. Got a fireplace leg right here, sticking it onto the base. It's helpful to have 2 hands, but my dad literally just went to Home Depot, so we're gonna do this against the wall. Got my other fireplace leg here. You know, I got nails right now. These nails aren't gonna make it through this project. I'll tell you that. They will not make it through this project. On the side like that. And then we'll fasten them together with screws. That's the other thing my dad was getting for me at Home Depot. Some more screws. So this is the right side of the fireplace. See how it just pushes together and then we'll screw it on. But that's pretty much the placement of it right there. So you can see that's how deep it's going to be. It should line up right with where I marked it. If my measurements were accurate. Oh, baby. I think I did pretty good.
You did real good.
Should we go ahead and clean it up? Or go ahead and keep doing that while it charges? Or is that gonna be a good way? This is gonna be awesome. Isn't it just so strange, like they didn't put a fireplace in this house?
Yeah.
But they took out the original fireplace to account for the stairs. Originally there was a fireplace on this back wall if you look at the floor plan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then because they wanted to finish the basement and not the upstairs, they got rid of that so that they could put the back staircase. Okay, so now
where's the middle box?
the next piece is
This
this
middle box.
header. So I think we build this first,
Okay, where is it?
right over here.
You ready?
Nope, come to your side. Come to your side more. That's as far as I can go.
Oh yeah. Just overhang the things. Both sides. It looks almost.
Let's just,
Same
let's
way.
measure it.
Yeah. How much you got there?
Oh, okay.
At least that much.
Really? It was that far off? No, now you got way more over there. Is it perfect?
Yep. Yeah, you got a little. Here, Lena. What I'm gonna do is mark this with a pencil. Look. So if we lose our
Yeah, perfect. We're getting there, Dad. We're getting there.
this way, for some reason you lose or have to move it, you know where it lines up.
So the next thing to do is the collar. So we have to get that little. But we
As
need
soon
to
as that's
fasten
charged
this.
up.
I think we can fasten it using these last 3 big screws that we have.
Okay. Give me the starter, and we need 2 of these are star bits, and the other one's Phillips head. Or no, 2 Phillips head. Where's the starter?
If you see on
That's okay. I mean, now that you've got it up there, I can go back and add. Just the initial getting it up there was that.
Okay, I just gotta move this one.
Yeah, I gotta go get some more. The frame is in. It's really taking shape. I'm so excited for this. I'm so thankful my dad was able to help me today because I was thinking I was gonna try this by myself during the week, but really you do need 2 people to put the frame together and just to help hold things. But look, it's so good. Well, first I gotta get an electrician to come and run a line because we do wanna mount a TV up here. But then after that, I'm gonna wrap it in drywall. And then after that, I'm gonna apply plaster to match the range hood that I did in my kitchen. So we have the fireplace frame built. But now we have to figure out how are we gonna finish it off. And I wanna plaster it, which means we've got to put drywall on it first and then apply the plaster. So to come along with me as I take on this project. It's helpful just to keep your, ooh, not like that. I swear, these nails are not gonna last. I got my big nails taken off, but I still got